So this is the cat after 3 weeks. You can see all the cat starting to walking, starting to walk after 3 weeks. This is, where is the, this is a lollipop. This is Chichi. Chichi.
Dia nak try jalan.
This is Chichi. This is, what is this? This.
Chichi.
Chichi.
Caca.
No name. This is Gray. This is Jojo. Big. This is his mom Kiki. And Hafiz, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, this is the family of cat.
Wih, mana lagi
Lovely cat. Okay, lollipop here. And you can see Chichi want to drink milk. And Chacha. Lollipop. So all the cat hungry. Chichi, Chacha, Gray, Lollipop. Okay, Hafiz. So that is update for 3 weeks, and we will update next week. So stay tuned with stick what, Hafiz? Stick what? Stick what? Stick Stabu. Okay guys, bye.